Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a common Windows 11 issue you're having with your laptop being plugged in but not charging. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager here. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the battery section here and right click on every device listed under batteries and select where it says uninstall device. Select uninstall. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and close out of here. Shut down your computer entirely and then unplug the power cable from your laptop. If your laptop does have a removable battery, you should remove the battery and then wait a couple minutes and then plug it back in. And then as your computer boots back up, it should automatically download the driver necessary for your battery. So at that point, it should be working properly. So since you did that, we're going to go ahead and restart our computer. Again, if you have a physical laptop, just shut it down entirely. And then, like I said, remove the battery. But if you don't have a battery that's easily removable, just go ahead and just do what I just did and then just restart. That's fine as well. But be better if you could remove the battery, but you know, we take what we can get, so pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.